If you've ever tried to change your birthday on Cash App, you've probably noticed there isn't a simple Edit Age button anywhere in the app. But don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll know the fastest way to get it updated. First, open the Cash App on your device and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. This takes you to your account settings. Scroll all the way down and select Support. Once you're in the support section, choose something else. This is where most account-related requests are handled. Then scroll again and select Cash Card, even if you don't have one. At the bottom of that page, tap Contact Support. Next, when asked what your issue is about, select Not About a Transaction. This will open the option to chat directly with a Cash App representative. Tap Chat, explain that you need to update your date of birth or age on your account, and they'll guide you through the verification process. The key takeaway here is that there's no direct button to change your birthday inside Cash App. You must go through customer support using this path, and using the chat feature is the fastest way to get it done. And that's it. Follow these steps, be clear in your chat message, and you should have your birthday updated in no time. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Cash App tips. And if you still have questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll help you out.